What's going good, YouTube? So today I did a lesson on a blue supergiant. Now, if you want the full lesson, come along to my live lessons. I promise you it's fun. But I was asked an interesting question by a student, whether this Rigel blue supergiant, whether it's going to destroy the Earth once it explodes, it's going to turn into a supernova. Okay. Now, obviously, I said to my student, no, it wouldn't, because I knew it was far away. It's right about 800 light years away. So, it's not going to really cause too much of a problem. For a supernova to cause a problem, it needs to be around about maybe a couple tens light years away, sometimes 100 light years away. It really depends on how big the supernova is, how much energy. But I thought to myself, hey, let's go into this a bit more detail. Now, a bit about this Rigel is actually comprised of 4 stars, 100,000 times brighter than the sun. There's a lot of fun facts about this Rigel supernova. But like I said, come to my live lesson, blue supergiant. But come to my live lesson. Now, there is actually different types of supernova. Not all supernovas are the same. This supernova, okay, is going to be called a core collapse one. It's the most common one that we teach you in, physics in school. You hear about in astronomy. So under gravity, the star's gravity is going to collapse on itself, okay? And what it will tend to do, not always, but tend to do, is it will be a asymmetric supernova. So it will explode more powerfully in the poles of its axes, okay? Now, this is where it gets a little bit interesting. What happens if Earth is by those poles? It will be disastrous, okay? Now, that being said, okay, even if, it will go through an asymmetric supernova. That's the future of this Rigel blue supergiant, okay? But because the Earth is so far away from it, even if the Earth happens to be along the axis of where it ejects all of this material, the Earth is going to be safe. So that's rest assured, okay? Another point is this is going to happen in millions and millions of years' time. The Earth, we're gonna go through a lot of other mishaps. The coronavirus. Maybe Bill Gates makes a vaccine. That's a little joke, but I don't know. There's AI might take over the world. There's a lot of things that could go down in the millions of years that this will happen. So even if it won't. This supernova is going to happen, but even if the Earth's along the poles, we're fine. We're fine. But even if it was if we were close by, it would still happen in millions of years. Now, like I said, I did a full lesson. So if you want a full lesson on this, where I go into much more depth, please come along to my live lessons. Check out my links below. Try and support me on Patreon so I can make all my content for one day for free if possible. But thank you very much. Take care, and I hope you all have a nice day. Bye-bye.